Just got done raining, and their chickens' hole filled up with water, straw, everything else. And of course, the ducks are over there drinking it. What you doing, baby girl? Okay, I see a spot on her. Wondering if it's Frank. Might have to get some aprons. I know some of them are molting from the heat. There's still a few feathers lost. She's got some feathers hanging on her. And you ducks don't mind the rain, do you? You's having fun. I gotta run to the store. Okay, so I can get your peas. You ate the last can. I don't have anything for you. What are you girls doing in there? Go. Hey. You see this? You see this water hose here? Look. Look. I just got to show it to them now. I just show them the water hose and they leave. It's not even turned on. Because these guys squirt it up over their heads when they come over here too much. What babies? Everybody's still getting along. They're just pouring down the rain and they're getting underneath their little shade thing there. Yeah, the rain filled up some of your waterers. I didn't even have to. It's not right underneath the tree, so the pool didn't get much water. It's still, I can still see the bottom a little bit, so it's not too bad. Not like I didn't clean it out this morning, but it don't last long. They should like their feed now. It got a little wet. That's why I keep buckets of water and stuff wherever I have the feed. So that's the only feed out here, because sometimes the chickens will go to one and they'll go to the other one. But the ducks rarely go in their kennel anymore. They just like being outside. And little Miss throw a fit yesterday. Finally got her box. I rehomed the Buffs and Morans, so this is open to them now. Ducks are getting closer and closer to this chicken run, but they won't come in it. You just want to drink that old nasty water. What, Frank? You need to be a little bit easier on them girls, you hear me? Look at that nasty water. What do you want to... God! That's just nasty. What, Frank? I got to get some more salve on your comb. Yeah, I do. I know, baby. Are the ducks invading your space underneath there? Ah, go drink that clean water. You have clean water. Oh, that's just nasty. Okay, I'm going to have to catch you early in the morning or tonight. Salve up that comb. Y'all don't care it rained, do you? Knock the flies off you. Where's the baby? Probably over there laying down somewhere. Might be inside the barn there. While Mama snacks. What baby? What baby? Girls are growing fast. Ruger's a big boy, man, let me tell you. No, I don't have nothing for you. Sorry. Not right now. Not right now, I don't. I see pink on that head. You've been scooting that trough around it again? Huh? I know you have been. I don't have nothing, baby. They know not to touch this wire. Yeah, I gotta get in here today and clean your brooder out. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And these are the ones I ordered that I'll be growing out some before I sell them. So these are the, oh, I forget now, Black Star, Golden Wyandottes, and Brown Leghorns. And there's one Moran I stuck in there. And that would be that smallest one that you can't see it, but I know we got to clean this out today. Okay, girls? And then Black Jersey Giants are getting big. Yeah, you are, huh? I know. I know. And I do not have their heat plate plugged in. It's not been plugged in for a little bit. They just like playing on it. Huh. So, they had their wet feed this morning, so they're doing good. And this is my next year's new flock. Well, I say next year, like around the first of the year or whatever, whenever they start laying. So, I just got them in the other day. It's June, so around 5 months. They start laying, but you don't want to hatch the eggs when they first start laying, so probably around January. Everybody's underneath sleeping, and they already messed up their bed. I brought them out in the garage. Yeah. It's easier to clean up after them out here, because if I make a mess, then just sweep it out the garage door. Yeah. And got the oddball one and the Moran in there, so. Yep, yeah, everybody's doing good. I did poopy butts this morning and changed everything. Go ahead, take your nap. I'll check on you later. And these ones are ones that's already sold before they're hatched. That's just when they're done hatching. I call him up, let him know how many. And he went on vacation, so I had him a little bit. I had him like for a week now. But he's back. What you doing, baby girl? So he'll be coming to get these today. These are part of them. And these are the other ones. So I had 30 of them for him. Hi, babies. Hi. They just finished hatching yesterday. So Friday and Saturday they were hatching. Yeah. And then these were the misfits. What, baby? Yeah. So I'll be rehoming those separately. And I had one late bloomer, whoops, which normally happens to me. Now this is not a, this is a buff. And it just hatched today. Right when I was unplugging everything. Why does this always happen to me? So, I'll just see if it'll make it. And it'll go in with the misfits. And then these two are due to hatch the end of the month. You know, not all of them hatch. I'll be lucky if half of them hatch because it's been so hot. I've noticed Frank not quite doing his job. And some of the girls are molting, and so here's the other batch. They go on lockdown Wednesday, so all 3 of these are due the end of the month. Then the other incubator I have soaking. Started saving some of my eggs. So I got some eggs to start, and then I put them, I just tilt them, and then 1 or 2 times a day I come in and flip them. That helps to save the air pocket on top of the egg. That the chicks have to breathe once they're ready to come out of the shell. So I got today's eggs I'm going to add in here. So those will be next as soon as I get all these clean. As soon as I get this one cleaned out. Yeah, because I'm going to need 2 of these for those eggs. I know, baby. You're doing good. Hang in there. Hang in there.